What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new Crypto TV episode. This is the afternoon session where we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, Floki, as well as Dogecoin, some of the major meme coins in the market. If you guys have any other meme coins that you want to see added to the channel, let me know down in the comments section below. Specifically, what we need to do is continue off from where we left off over the past couple of episodes. We recently added on Floki as well as Shiba, about 2 days ago here, and you guys have really liked it. So we're going to continue it, especially because we've noticed some very, very interesting technical indicators that are leading towards another what could be pump within some of these major meme coins here, and I'm getting excited. You can see two of them we've drawn on our beautiful, and it's slowly forming into something else because we're looking at things on hourly and aggressive chartings. But you can see originally we had discovered two potential symmetrical triangles forming on Shiba. Then we started it started to form into more of a descending triangle, which both have bullish potential here, and we're going to continue from where we left off looking at Shiba Inu, as we might have just broken out of this, or we need to tweak the chart, which is more likely what we're going to need to do, as well as look at Floki, which is forming something enormous, and then Doge, which is continuing in its ascending fractal outside of its descending or symmetrical triangle that we'll have to talk about in a second with you. Anywho, more importantly, two major announcements. I am doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. If you want to win some free money for Amazon as well as some BidFi merch, all you need to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below, as well as subscribe to the channel. Go comment Shiba Inu, go comment XRP, go comment Bitcoin, Floki, whatever cryptocurrency you want or you like, comment it down below. And if I like it, maybe I'll add it to the channel as well. But make sure you're subscribed as well, as when I pick the winner Sunday morning. And when I pick the winner, if you're not subscribed, I won't be giving it to you and I will pick somebody else. So make sure to subscribe ASAP. It's that simple. And stick around for Sunday morning's episode where we reveal who the winner is. And then I'll send it off to you guys. Lastly, BidFi is also giving away $200 in free cryptocurrency by signing up with the link down in the description, making a first deposit. More information down in the comment section below, or in the description below. But anywho, what we're going to need to do is dive into these cryptocurrencies. With that all being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into it. So we need to continue off where we left off yesterday, discovering a potential descending triangle now forming on Floki, on Shiba Inu here. You can see I have Shiba pulled up here, and something is forming here for sure. Originally, we had a symmetrical triangle. We've changed it as we found more of a similar price floor. That's seemingly becoming what we're looking into. And now we have this downtrend that we drew, which had tons of resistance and rejection, which pretty much confirmed that this is the downtrend to use. But unfortunately, we had this little weird flare over the past couple of hours here, yesterday into this morning. Now it seems like we have to tweak this, and every time we tweak this chart, it's giving Shiba Inu more time to pump higher, or more time to consolidate. Look, just by doing this, we extended what could have been mid-March now to like March 19th, which is okay. It's still plenty of time here, but you can see now the new formation. Is there some sort of support we could use? I don't think it's that accurate. I'll leave it here for the time being. I don't know how accurate this is going to play out. I also want to jump to the hourly charts to give you guys a better overview. You can kind of see it here. But there is 100% something forming here, and it is quite a substantial one nonetheless. You can see this downtrend here and this support. It's forming some sort of bull flag or symmetrical triangle yet again. We keep having to tweak this to get better views and looks, but you can see price floor, price floor, price floor, price floor, and then we have resistance. And I want you guys to map out what this has in common, and I'll tell you in a second here. What you're seeing is higher lows and lower highs filling in the gap, and at some point it is going to come to an end, and a decision is going to have to be made. I say this a lot because I've seen it for years on years with a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. What I mean is each time we head up, it is lower than the previous one, and each time we fall, it is higher than the previous fall. So look, we head up, this is lower than the last one here. Then we head down, and it's lower than the last one here. Or it's higher than the last one here. And this all slowly starts to get squeezed, and pressure starts to build, and a decision is going to have to be made. And typically with stuff like this, it could be positive. It really could be a positive break. If I swing back to maybe the 3-hour chart, we'll have a bit more of kind of a clarity here. It also starts to unveil that a lot of the swings we had originally don't seem to be as accurate here, which also shows signs that maybe it's not a uptrend. Maybe this is not accurate and we just have a floor. Either way, it's fine. What we do know for certain is there's definitely some sort of downtrend, and we've wicked above it consistently here on the 3-hour chartings. I'm going to swing one last time into the 4-hour, and the reason I like to use 4-hour charts and daily charts over like hourly and 2-hour charts is because of how aggressive it is. I like to be conservative in a lot of my trades, and if you trade on hourly charts, you have to be glued to your computer all day because you're getting in and you're getting out within a couple of hours max, maybe even like 2 or 3 hours you're trading. You're only going to trade 2 or 3 candles, and that's only about 3 hours versus 2 or 3 hour candles in a 4-hour charts is half the day. It's 12 hours. So you can see why the more grand you do, the more wider you look, the more macro scale you look at, not micro, the more conservative the trade is. So 4 hours definitely moderate. It's definitely can be risky, but it's a lot less risky than trading on the hourly charts. So you can see what we've determined is there's some sort of pattern filling here, and it does end closer to the 17th of March, and it might happen. We might break out before then. It's very possible, and more than likely it will break out. We might break out here and see the pump, or we might see a dump. Regardless, you now have like layers of when to be buying in conservatively here. This bottom support is definitely the hardest one, and that's why I'm hoping we don't do that and we actually just break up. That would be a lot easier for us to buy into because there's a lot more leeway going up than there is going down. Lots of supports and floors here, which is why I would think a breakdown would be a bit more difficult to trade on here. However, the buy-in opportunity, simply put, is if we can confirm closure above this price ceiling on the 4-hour, that would open up a door where anticipation of a break to the upside would happen. That's what I would expect to see. So that's what you guys have to be paying attention to. There's not much time left. Today is the 14th. We're talking 3 or 4 more days of this to fill its gap and then make a decision. Now, what's cool is you'll notice when we were up this high, we were trading at freaking 87 on the RSI. Well, we're now trading at, 50 on the RSI, and we're not that far off. You can see from top, we haven't really seen that much of a pull to the downside here. This is about not what I wanted to draw. That's a date range. We need price range. You can see we've only fallen about, 25% is a lot, but it's not in the grand scheme of things here. We could very quickly make up a 25% run very fast on Shiba. And I plan on doing this trade on BidFi because BidFi offers Shiba Inu to leverage trade, which is really cool. You can see right here, if I click Bitcoin and we type SHIB, you get BidFi, you get Shiba Inu to pull up and to leverage trade here. So you can make these trades. Like this is where I plan on trading Shiba. A lot of you guys are just going to buy and hold on like MetaMask, which is cool, but you can't short. I like to short cryptocurrencies. It gives me double the opportunity to capitalize off these runs. So beyond the $200 they're giving away for free and this merchandise they're giving away for free by literally commenting your favorite crypto and subscribing, they also have other rewards here. If you click welcome rewards on BidFi as well as the demo trading account, not what I wanted to click, demo trading account, open link, you can see they have a way for you to earn over 2K in free rewards by literally completing tasks. It's that simple. Google Authenticator, anti-phishing, join community. They have feedback rewards, tons of different rewards for you to earn tons of different amount of cryptocurrency. So make sure to take advantage of this with the link down in the description below. And they also have a demo trading account, which offers, I believe, most of the major cryptos, but then also Doge, which if you guys like, you could take advantage of. But this gives you an opportunity to leverage trade SHIB or Dogecoin or some other major blue chips completely free using demo monopoly money here, like simulator money, 50 grand in simulator money. Get familiar, learn to trade, practice your trades, practice my trades. And then when you're ready, you can use a real crypto in the live trading account. You can use your bonus money in the live trading account and earn real money, which is really cool. So it's free on free on free, and I highly recommend you take advantage of it. Anywho, moving forward, looking at these other cryptos, that's pretty much SHIB. We're waiting on the countdown. We're caught just a couple of days away before we see that movement here, and that also takes place on Floki and these other. Floki is also cool because I believe BidFi offers Floki Let's pull it up. Yep, they offer Floki to leverage trade too, and you can see the amount of consolidation that is happening, and it is insane. Floki we have pulled up on the 4-hour chart, so I'm just going to do the same on BidFi here, which is sick. You can see if I draw some horizontal lines, kind of the ceiling and the supports that we have here. Now, did we break out? We did a little bit. We wicked above to about 0.0003, and we're currently at 0.0002, kind of, and that's kind of accurate with what we have right now. You can definitely see at some point or another there is some sort of fractal forming here. I'm trying to see if there's any other indicators that we could draw. I mean, there might be this forming. This is also an interesting approach to things. Maybe there's an ascending fractal. We've kind of drawn that on Floki as well, definitely on the long-term scale. I don't know if it started right there. I think I drew it from here. We had a drawing like this, which is possible. And we'll leave this for right now, but I don't think this is going to work too well, but I'll leave it for right now. Strongly, I believe this consolidation is going to pop soon, and when we see it happen on the charting here, we'll obviously make that trade on BidFi, because I can leverage it on BidFi here. But you can see it's some sort of ascending fractal. There's also some sort of sideways trading at some point or another. This is not going to last. This sideways movement is not normal for Floki. You can see they do 1,000 Floki. What that means is you can see how Floki is currently trading at 0.00027, and this is at 0.27. It makes it kind of easier to grasp, which is another reason why I love BidFi. So it's 1,000x. It's like 1,000th of Floki. So we're trading in the 1,000s here. That's why it's doing. It's just easier to show and minimize on the chart. For that, for anyone with the confusion as to why it would say 1,000 on here, that is the explanation. So it's 27 cents, but it's 1,000th. So it would really be 0.00027. And hopefully that makes sense. Anywho's still money, and we can still profit on this. We're looking to see, will it hoist us up? Will we break through ceiling, or will we break through floor? And that's pretty much it. If we can confirm closure above here, I want to buy in and long. If we close through floor, we're shorting this. But otherwise, we look really good. It's just any minute now, we're going to see some results on Floki. And then lastly, to wrap up today's video, Doge is also seeing an ascending triangle. I'm going to delete the downtrend here. Why? Because it wasn't accurate. We only had 2 points of resistance here. That's not enough to confirm a downtrend. We need at least 3. And you can see more so we're in what I'm thinking is an ascending fractal here. And again, I would think correction is necessary. I mean, that's just me. These are bearish to begin with here. Like, these ascending fractals have a bearish textbook viewpoint. So that's what I would expect to see happen here. But again, we break through here, we could buy in long more. So I'm looking to break through the floor, and that would cause the correction. But again, hit or miss. Let me know what you think about these cryptos. Let me know your opinion on Doge, Floki, Shib. Make sure to go sign up for BidFi in the description. Get your, enter the giveaway. I need to give this away. The last week's giveaway, nobody responded, which is crazy because I'd like to give this stuff away for free. And if you ain't going to respond to the video, then I can't give it away for free. So please do watch Sunday's episode so I can give it away. I didn't think it would be that hard. And then also make sure to get your free $200. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.